guys probably don't know the song, but I created the vocal for that song and I wrote the song, and it is really close to what I came up with. Really reimagined it completely differently. I would never make an acoustic song like that, but it actually sounds great as an acoustic song. And Ace Studio has basically worked out how that lyric would sound. So I really think that's pretty cool. Let's listen to the chill house version of the same song.
I came down to see you. I didn't wanna lie, 'cause it's time to see through all the lows and highs. It's a soulful connection, it's a lonely infection, it's a one in a million.